Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new then hi, I am Debarati and I make content based on makeup and fashion. We hardly get time to get ready on Ashtami morning, so this is a quick and easy makeup which will hardly take 5 minutes to do. There is no falsies and no harsh contouring, just a little bit blush, and which will look perfect in the morning. And if you want to know how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. And guys, please excuse my crooked voice because I'm a little bit ill today. Anywho, let's get on with the video. First I will take my moisturizer. For this I'm using the Mamaearth oil free moisturizer, and I will be mixing it with the Wet n Wild foundation in Golden Beige. The reason I am mixing it with the moisturizer is because I want a very soft yet light coverage which will not be so heavy on face but still give me a little bit coverage. You can always use a BB cream, but BB cream doesn't work for me, so I like to mix foundations with the moisturizer. And nobody got time in the morning to use brush or anything, so I'm just tapping it with my finger, and then the leftovers I am blending it with my beauty sponge just to make it more seamless. Then using a very tiny amount of concealer, and for that I'm using my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer in 07 Nutcracker. I'm just dotting it away, very sparse quantity, and then blending it out. I will be very light-handed with this as I want my imperfections and my skin to show up so that it does not look very heavy and made up. And in morning we hardly get time to get ready. At least I just have 5 minutes to get ready, wear my sari, and just go and give the Anjali. I don't know where the footage went of me setting the base. By the way, I used the Wet n Wild contouring palette and this highlighting shade to set my T-zone, and then used the blush from Wet n Wild in the shade Pearlescent Pink, and applied it on the usual, that is my upper of my cheeks and a little bit on my nose. I apply blush on my nose because I find it cute, and on my chin. For filling my brows, I used a pencil, and this is from Miniso. The reason I use a pencil because it is very fast and looks very natural. If you like a bold, fierce eyebrows, then go ahead and do it with a pomade and just carve out your brows to make it look more precise. And then I used NYKAA Matte lipstick in Kufri and just applied it on my waterline and blending it away with my fingers, and then at last with a brush just to make it look more natural. It might look a little bit odd right now, but after adding your mascara and everything, it will look cute. Then I will use the same lipstick and apply it on my lips, but just dabbing it over as I don't want the whole intensity but a light tint of it. Next I'm curling my lashes properly and using lots and lots of mascara, and for that I'm using my Loreal Lash Paradise. The reason I'm taking so much time to curl and apply my mascara properly is I will not be using any falsies, as nobody wants to wear like full-on glam falsies and go in the morning, and this is so because I want the look to be more wearable and natural. And if you have some extra time to spend, then you can use the highlighter. I'm using the Maybelline Molten Gold and just highlighting the usual places of my face. And don't forget to highlight your inner corners and under the arch of your brows. Okay, that's it. That's my finished look. I will quickly change my outfit and show it to you guys. I wore a pink sari and also added a pink bindi just to tie up the look together, and I think it looks good. I hope you guys like my short and sweet video. If you do, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please comment down below if you have any suggestions regarding any other look. And most of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. I would highly appreciate if you take some time and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading more Durga Puja looks, so please stay tuned. And until then, goodbye, take care and lots of love. See you in my next video.